Want to say what things happen in Spanish? Today you learn 8 words for talking about time. Stay to the end for a full recap. For right this second, ahora. It means now. Lo hago ahora mismo. For a bit later, luego. It means later. Te llamo luego. For the early bird, temprano. It means early. Me levanto temprano. For the latecomer, tarde. It means late. Llegué tarde otra vez. For the day before, ayer. It means yesterday. Ayer fui al cine. For this very day, hoy. It means today. Hoy tengo mucho trabajo. For the day ahead, mañana. It means tomorrow. Mañana es sábado. For every single time, siempre. It means always. Siempre tomo café. Let's recap the 8 time words from today. Ahora, luego, temprano, tarde, ayer, hoy, mañana, siempre. Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video, days of the week in Spanish.